Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating my personal journal. This is the vertical layout happy planner in the classic size. We will be decorating for October 27th through November 2nd. Because all of my new designs that are releasing in November on the 1st are Christmas this last week in October, I'm going to use some of my previously released designs. This is from Pleasantly Planned when I was operating as Pleasantly Planned. This is called Down Home. I love the colors and just the cozy feel of these stickers. And I've also found this washi tape. It is linked in the description if you'll look for my Amazon storefront. I did get this with a fall set from Amazon. And if you'll stay till the end of this video, I have pre-recorded a sneak peek of my new Christmas release. There are 11 designs, so I will play that at the end of this video for you guys. So I think we're just going to start in this bottom corner, and I did pick a couple quotes from Amber Plans Her Day, her new Faith Essentials sticker book. So I've got some quotes pre-chosen already from that sticker book that I'm going to be using. I think I'm going to take this basket and just kind of bring this little cluster a little bit further out so that I can kind of put a quote right here. I think that'll be my plan. So these are the quotes that I've chosen, and I think I kind of want to use the bigger two for this spread. So we're going to do Jesus my everything here. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok or Instagram and you're into Bible study and Bible journaling, follow me over on one of those two, because I have been sharing a lot of my Bible journaling, my daily write the word, all of that stuff I share over there. I said in my last video, YouTube just kind of makes it just difficult to share videos over here. So I kind of just moved to those two platforms for my shorter form content. So yeah, follow me on Instagram or TikTok or both, but I do kind of post the same thing on both of those places. All right, so now, do I really want to use giant boots? Probably not. I think we're going to use this little beanie hat. I love the boots, and I may grab my small sticker sheet to use some boots as well on this spread. But these are cute, adorable. Do I want to put my quote there? I may, actually. I'm going to take Love, Romans 5:8. I'm actually studying in Romans right now. It's taking me a minute to get Romans done because I'm like studying hard. Romans is a really good book to study. So it's also a book that will kind of stump you. So I have been stumped a couple times in a couple different chapters of Romans. So it's taking me a little bit, but all right, what else do we want to do? I'm going to grab, let's go here, and let's take this and stick over here. Whoa. Trying not to cover up my holes, but I did. So I need to punch that one. I'm going to grab my We Are Memory Keepers hole punch and just punch this hole out while I'm thinking about it. Okay. This is also listed in my Amazon storefront. All right, so we are good there. Let's put in a couple boxes and see where we're at. I think I want to lay these boxes horizontally. And I think I'm going to white out the line behind it, even though I just ripped that page. I just messed myself all up there. Oh well. I don't have anywhere else that I can lay a horizontal box, so maybe I shouldn't have done that. Let's lay this box here. And then maybe a gray box over here. I think I'm going to kind of come off of this. I really like this vertical layout for just my daily personal, what I did, how I felt type journal. And we'll definitely be carrying it into 2026. Okay, so I think I'm going to take a smaller gray box and put over here. I may actually, let's see. I'm going to take it and put it up towards the top. And I'm going to kind of just stagger it a little bit over because it doesn't fit perfectly. And so if you have something that doesn't fit kind of perfectly inside your vertical box, if you'll just stagger it a little bit, it doesn't look as kind of weird if it doesn't fit exactly. And then I'm going to do the same thing here with this one, except I'm going to make this one look like this little flower arrangement is sitting right on top of that box. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to grab my small sheet because I want to fill in some of these places that have empty spots. I don't write a whole awful lot in this planner. I think I'm going to take this. That's questionable. I think we're going to use a smaller kitten and put it right here. Just to kind of fill in some of these empty spots. And then let's see, I really want to use these boots. So we're going to take these boots and place them up here. I think we're going to go there. That's cute. And then what else can we do? I need something to go here. Or maybe not. I don't know. I may leave that open. I think I'm going to leave that open. I think let's just try to fill in with some of this washi. I don't know if we can even fill in with any of this washi anywhere now that I'm looking. Maybe here. Actually, I think I'm going to take my paper cutter and try to slice this down to make it a little bit smaller. I don't quite like the width. Oops, I just curled that up. Alright, so we got a really skinny piece and then a not so skinny piece. Let's see what we can do with this. I'm going to put some under this box. Right there. I'm going to go this way with it. And then cut it off right here. And then I think I'm going to take, it's really crooked. I cut this really crooked. Maybe you won't notice. Hopefully you won't notice. And then I think we're going to take this and go this way. Oof, you can notice that. You can really tell that's crooked. You can't really tell so much that that one's crooked, but this one is obvious. And I don't know how this is going to turn out, so I think that kind of remedied it. I wonder if I can peel up the edge of this. No, that's not going to work because I laid my box over it. Okay, not too terrible. All right, let's try to do the same thing over here on this side. Just not exactly the same. So, trying to decide what I want to grab here. I think I'm going to go here. This is still, you can tell it's crooked. I did a terrible job cutting this. Let's just see what happens. Don't know how this is going to look. Okay, that's not terrible. And then maybe something somewhere else. This kind of wrinkled. But I think I'm going to lay it under here. That's cute. That's really cute. Okay. I think I'm done. So let's put it back in my planner and just kind of see. I forgot to tell you, I use this stencil from the Happy Planner to go ahead and draw the lines in my boxes because I do like having somewhere to write. And then because this is my personal journal, I have covered up the current week with a piece of lined paper because I love y'all, but you know, a little bit of privacy. Okay. So that's it. Stay tuned. I will post that little sneak peek of the new releases right after this is over. So I thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
I will